What are you doing?
Just one dot for a knot.
Sophie, what is it you're making? Gingerbread house?
There you go, Sophie. Look, that's so pretty.
Oh my goodness,
Pretty
pretty house, Sophie.
Okay, now
Look at
let me
it.
show you the last part we're gonna do. Is
What
just
do you
put some
think?
snow all over it.
What do you think, Sophie?
Good.
How many people live in your gingerbread house?
Where did that boy go?
Or did you make some people to live in there?
Yeah.
What do they look like?
A good man.
Where's the gingerbread man? And what's the other thing? With the green frosting, what's that? What's that over there? This, what's that?
So, do you want to put gingerbread man
It's a
on there?
gingerbread tree, silly Sophie.
Look, we can put